Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. I have started this channel recently where I share my daily market analysis on the stock markets of USA, UK and Canada, and I also share my market analysis on the important forex currency pairs like Euro USD, USD Japanese yen, etc. Okay. So today in this video I'll be analyzing the UK stock market. Okay. So this video is for Wednesday 24th Feb only. So this analysis is for Wednesday 24th Feb only. Okay. So if you watched my yesterday's video, then hopefully you have made good money in average. Okay. I told you to short below this level and you can see how beautifully it went. Okay. Anyways, so the first stock for the day is Rio Tinto. Okay. So in Rio Tinto, you can see that I have marked two levels 6428 and 6176 and right now trading at 6312. There is a good resistance present at 6428 and a good support available at 6176. So here we don't need to do anything. If Rio Tinto opens in between this range, okay, between these two range, and if it goes up and hits the resistance level and comes down like this, if it shows a price reversal like this, a price rejection from above, then you can short the market. Similarly, if Rio goes down and hits the support level 6176 level and show you price rejection from below or reversal sign, if it bounces from the green line or the level of 6 from this level, if it bounces, then you can go ahead and buy. Okay. Because right now this stock is in consolidation. Okay, in consolidation period also we can make money. Okay, people say that it is impossible, it is almost impossible to make money, but I say that if market trades in a range like this, then it is quite an easy task. Okay, you can buy here if you get bounce or reversal sign, you can sell here if you get price rejection like this. That's it, simple. Okay, so yesterday I recommended Smith SMTS, um, and see how beautifully it went. Okay, I remember the logic I told you. Market always move from higher volatility to lower volatility and lower volatility to higher volatility. And see, market gave a beautiful move. Okay. Anyways, so the next stock for the day is HSBC Holdings. HSBC Holding is still in this particular range only. See, yesterday it went up. Okay, it went up for a few minutes and it went up till 449 level. Okay, but price could not sustain, and just look at the price rejection. Just look at the size of the candle. Okay, just look at the price rejection. Anyways, um, so so your today's strategy for HSBC holding should be, okay, buy above this level and sell above this level. Right now trading at 428, buy above 432.60 and sell below 416.70. That's it. But remember one thing, if market opens between this range and gives a breakout like this, let the market sustain above 432 level for 15-20 minutes. Let the market comfortably trade above the resistance level. Okay, that will be the confirmation that okay, right now the resistance has become the support. Then only you go ahead and place the buy order. Otherwise, wait and watch. That's it. The same thing is applicable for the level, this down level also. Okay, if market crosses this particular level, let market trade below 416 for 15-20 minutes. Let market sustain there. Okay, then only go ahead and short the market. Do not jump into trade right away. If you're watching my videos, then you know it very well that in each and every video I tell you that before placing the buy order, always go for the confirmation. Suppose if you would have entered here tomorrow, or if you have entered here, or then just look at the condition. What would have? Just imagine. Okay, just imagine after seeing this kind of a candle, what would have been your condition? Okay, that's why confirmation is very important. Anyways, the next stock is BT. Where is BT? BT. Just also BT. Right now, BT is trading at the resistance level. Okay, so if BT opens here, just see how BT react. Okay. If BT opens at 131 or below 132 level and hits the level and comes down, then you can short it for this target. This will be your target 130 or 130. This 130.50 to 130.20. This will be your target. You can short the market here if it opens here, and if it opens above this level, then you can go ahead and buy. But uh, just remember, okay, that in the daily time frame, okay, in the daily time frame, there is a resistance at 132.75 and 50. There's also 50 moving average also. So if you ask me what will be the ideal position to buy, so your ideal position for BT will be one above 134, 134.8. Oh, sorry, 133.8. This is your comfortable zone. Right now, it's kind of in a closed pattern. It may struggle a bit. Okay, so you do not want your stock to struggle after placing the buy order. It's not it. Okay, so let the stock break these levels. Okay, let the stock break these levels. Okay, in case yeah, in case you get BT in 127 level, and if you spot some reversal or bounce from above, okay, you can buy. Do not sell the stock. uh, if BT crashes also from here, do not sell it. Okay, that would be risky. Okay, okay, let's jump to the next stock. So the next stock is BAE systems. Okay, for BAE systems, I'll say that you can see there is no such movement. Okay, so this is the best part of stock market. Market moves from lower volatility to higher volatility. So what can you do? Okay, you just need to wait. Okay, you just need to keep this stock on your radar and wait. Okay, if you get an up move, your target will be this 497. Okay, and right now trading at 485. So what you need to do, you just need to keep this stock on your radar. Okay, do not you don't need to short the stock. Okay, if you get this stock above 486 level, then you can go ahead and place the buy order, but not below this level. Only buy above 486. Only above 486 level only. And if you are somewhat a risk taker, or if you love to take risk, then you can short the stock below 481.5 level. Okay, your target would be 477. If you see that there is a sudden selling pressure from above, some sellers have joined the market, and if you see a sudden uh, surge in volume, okay, from the bearish side, then you can say, go for a shorting the market. But it would not be wise decision to short the market. Okay, it's for risk takers only. For better trade, just wait for the stock to cross 486.1 level. Then only you go ahead and place the buy order. So that's it for the day. Thank you so much.